Hey everyone, today I will show you how to check shared albums on iPhone. And here's how it's done. When someone shares an album with you, you'll receive a notification. For example, you might see something like, this user invited you to join the album along with a notification badge on the Photos app. To accept the invitation, tap on the notification, which will open the shared album invitation. If you don't see the notification, you can find it by going to the Photos app, tapping on For You, and looking for the invitation there, and looking for the invitation there. Once you find it, just tap Accept to join the album. After accepting, you'll be able to access the shared album and view the photos. It may take a moment for everything to load, especially if they're coming from iCloud. Once it is populated, you'll see all the photos in that shared album. In the future, to access any shared albums, just go to the Photos app and head back to the For You section. And that is everything you need to know about how to check shared albums on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.